Hello there and welcome to another Pleasure Beach Experience vlog. Well, today we're back somewhere that we didn't really think we were going to come back to for a while. We're at Ocean Beach Pleasure Park up in South Shields, which is in South Tyneside. Last year it was just me and Mark that came here. Me and Mark are here again, but this time Mike's here as well because he heard there was a log flume. Now there is indeed a log flume, and I'm sure that Mark will once again avoid going on it because this time it's not quite as warm as it was when we came in August last year. But me and Mike will do log flume in all weathers, so we're going to go on the log flume. There's free credits here for Mike to get as well, and we're just going to see where the day takes us really. There's a booster which wasn't here last year. Some of the rides look like they've sort of moved around from where they were, which is all good, so it keeps things fresh. Don't really know what kind of vlog we're going to do yet. I don't know if it's going to be chatting the whole way through is this ride. I don't know if it'll be in the style of the Oakwood one that we did a couple of weeks ago, or the style of the recent Pleasure Beach one that we've done, or if it's going to be in the same style as the video that we did here last year, which was a couple of POVs, a bit of music, a bit of talking, and a bit like that the whole way through, and then a big long review at the end. I really don't know how we're going to do this video. It depends how the day goes, but there's going to be a vlog of sorts. You're going to hear from Mike plenty, I'm sure of it. He'll have lots to say, he always does. So yeah, less talking from me for now. It's time to go and do the first credit of the day, which might well be the infamous crash test spinning roller coaster.
There we go on crash test. Ocean Beach Pleasure Park. Into the drop. Oh dear. Oh, that was a crash test. Fuck's sake. I've already been wedged. Oh, fuck's sake. Bloody hell. I can't help it, I can't get any further. Stop moving. I can't. There we go. I thought we bounced. Oh fuck. I've already got stitched. I don't know how. Where are you going? I'm trying to not sit on your knee. Oh. Why have we come on this? Oh God! Oh dear! Will you move? I can't! The thing is, like, I'll just slide down. For goodness sake, man! I'm gripping onto the side, trying to pull myself across. Pull yourself together. Right, quick. Right, that's enough. Get me off this thing. It's... Oh, right, it's at the end. Thank you. Oh, here we go again. Here we go. Here, backwards. I can't help it. I'm sorry. Oh no, no!
Stop pushing me! In the bed! Ah, no way!
He did say this was the bounciest car.
Bouncing? Oh, slidiest! I've been on top rope dragster. How is this scary? Oh, jeez.
Here we go. Ocean Beach Pleasure Park Log Flume. Mark's sitting it out.
That's the usual.
I came on this last year and the steepness of the lift hills really surprised me, so probably going to surprise me again, to be honest. Thankfully this guy's not real. Here we go. Shout out to the ride up. Top man letting us film. Here we go. It's only a little drop, this first one, but it can be a bit of a soaker, as I found out last year. Here we go. Oh, got a bit of a rollback situation. Towards the final drop, which, if I remember rightly from last time, is a bit of a super soaker. You ready for this, Mike?
Not sure.
You're not sure? You will be in a minute. Here we go. Here we go. We're gonna get soaked. I am absolutely, oh no way, look at this. I am soaked, all completely soaked. Again, it's only a little drop. But there we go, that's the Log Flume. Only a little drop in the first one, but it can be a bit of a soak, as I found out last year. Here we go.
Whee!
Oh, bit of a rollback situation. Here we go.
Oh, what? Drenched. And we stopped.
I am absolutely. So it's dinner time here at Ocean Beach Pleasure Park. Mark, what the hell have you got there? Because that looks good.
Chip balm, innit?
Chip balm.
It's got to be done, man. Chip balm, the blue marlin.
The blue marlin. We just wanted to give a shout out to it, didn't we? Because last time it was amazing.
Yeah, it was like, when we came, it was like, we need to go blue marlin again.
Yeah. It's the whole reason we've come, isn't it? For a chip bap.
Yeah, it's so good, man.
Look at that. I know it's wobbly camera work, but wow, just had to be shown. Look at that. Can't beat that. Anyway, gonna dig in now, so and here's Mike as well. Oh yeah, we'll have to show what Mike's got. Look at that. Yeah, come to the Blue Marlin, everyone, if you come to Ocean Beach. It's excellent.
Here we go on the speed buzz. Nervous. Oh mate, I do not like this at all. Here we are on the booster.
Oh no!
I told you, mate. Help. Get a fire brigade. Oh mate, I am absolutely shitting myself. I hope they get on fast at the bottom. I think it's Jimmy and Stuz on getting on here, puffing. Nothing to actually hold on to either. There's no handles on this or anything. I need to go to the toilet. Oh, for goodness for that. I don't care what it does now, it won't be as scary as that. Well, I say that. Oh, I don't like this. Why? Why are we already going over? No way! No! What is going on? This is raucous. Where did you get this from? Oh dear. Get a fire brigade. Oh. Oh dear me.
We've come to the end of our day here at Ocean Beach Pleasure Park, and we've come somewhere quiet to do the wrap up. Mike, what do you think of it? First time you've been here?
Yeah, not a bad little place really. A couple of really good rides. Ice jet, great ride. Breakdances are always good. But that second go we had on it was brilliant.
Agreed. Anything else?
Couple of creds here.
Couple of creds here.
3 creds in.
Obviously, at the minute,
slightly shameless.
Yeah.
Those 2 of them probably.
I was going to say 2 of them slightly shameless. So, Mark, we didn't think we'd come back here because we thought we'd get the credits, and not that it's a bad place. We just thought that by this point we'd be travelling here, there, and everywhere, and it should be the America event today. But there we go.
Should be.
How have you found it the second time round?
I really like this place, mate, to be honest with you. It's so much fun. It's got, well, 3 phenomenal rides. The booster, hats off to how they run that. It's the first time I've ever flipped as it's gone round once, and it just kept going.
It didn't even warm up, did it? It just kicked straight in.
Yeah, it just kept going and going and going. Breakdance is phenomenal. Absolutely such a good ride. And IceJet, well, IceJet is just incredible. It really is. How they run those rides, hats off to them. And you know what, if you're around the area, if you're northwest, even if you're coming up from down south, make a weekend of it, go somewhere else and come along, because it's well worth a trip for. You have so much fun, and like even on the frog hopper.
Oh, don't even go there.
You know, just fun rides, and how they run them, and it's just a good atmosphere. They have the music playing all the time. I'd recommend it to anybody really to come here. It's such a good place.
So yeah, just to echo what Mike and Mark have said, really, I honestly didn't think we'd come back this soon. And like I said when Mark was on camera, it's not because it's a bad place, because I didn't think we would come back that soon. There's obviously quite a lot to do in the UK in terms of big theme parks, all the obvious ones, but places like this get overlooked, and to be honest, they shouldn't do, because we were just saying before, if only there was more places like this, you know, just little amusement parks that you can come along for a couple of hours, have a good laugh on good rides with your mates, just having a bit of fun, having a laugh in the good weather, because the weather's got better as the day's gone on. But I think even if it was raining, you'd have fun here. It's been a good day, and like Mark said, like Mike said, IceJet, so much fun. Breakdance, so much fun. The booster, you probably heard it on the ride audio, I was bricking it at the top. I've never been that scared on a booster since Spin Doctor was a thing in Blackpool. It's just so good. And even Crash Test, it's a laugh. It's not the best coaster, but it's a laugh. The most important thing in these tough times is having a laugh. Coming to places like this is where you can have a laugh. You can't have a laugh when you're locked down and you're panicking over everything, but you can come here and have a laugh, and that is what we've done today. And if you're looking for things to do, and you're looking for coaster credits to do, and you're just looking to get out, have a day with your mates, your family, whoever, even on your own, places like this need our support in these tough times, but also they don't just need our support, they're here to give us a good time as well, and places like this do give you a good time. So totally recommend you come and give it a visit. We often overlook how much things cost on videos like this. We always forget to talk about it. So it is worth mentioning, it is pay per ride. So like, for example, Crash Test I think is 4 tokens, the Dodgems 4 tokens, the boosters like 4 tokens, the Log Flume, forgot to mention that was a bloody laugh with me and Mike. £2.50 in terms of tokens. So you won't pay more than 4 tokens a ride, I don't think, and it's £1 a token, and you pay as you go. You get like a little card, top up as you go, put as much as you want on it. It's great, it's a great little setup. There's a couple of places I can think of that would be great if they were more like this. I won't mention them. But yeah, make sure you come here if you've never been, or if you're just looking for a good day out up north, because it is a good laugh, especially in the good weather and when you're with your friends and family. So that's all from me, that's all from Mike and Mark, I'm sure, as well. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Please let us know in the comments what you thought, and if you'll be visiting Ocean Beach this year. Many thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next Pleasure Beach Experience video.